This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping the phone and power source so charging goes fast and safe. Plug an original USB-C cable into a Samsung-rated fast charger, 15W or above, because output matters. Once done, disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth or switch to airplane mode to cut background drain. Make sure no heavy apps run by force closing them. Then place the phone on a flat surface with good ventilation. Avoiding heat improves charging efficiency and battery health. You now optimize settings and environment to maximize charge speed. Go to Settings, open Battery Options, and enable fast charging so the phone accepts higher current. This directly affects how quickly the battery fills. Next, use a quality wall outlet instead of a laptop USB port because many ports supply lower amperage. Also, if the device warms above normal, remove the case and keep ambient temperature around 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Thermal regulation lets the charger push power. You finish by timing and checking the charge for longevity and troubleshooting if needed. Aim to unplug around 80 to 90% for daily fast charges, since topping to 100% often slows charging and wears the battery. If charging is unexpectedly slow, make sure to test a different certified charger and cable and inspect the USB-C port for lint. Clean gently. Finally, if problems persist, reboot the phone or boot into safe mode to see whether an app is draining power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.